Don't even think about breathing, boy.
Do you know how rats die? Come on, move! Let's get out of here!
Either he's dead, or he's probably in the wind. But regardless of which one, he's gone beneath us.
You played me, boy. Who were you calling back there? Proportional. You need to start at the bottom.
What are you doing here? Who are you? What do you want?
You don't know us? We are the people of this region, and we won't let anybody destroy our home. We're here today because our people have an important score to settle with Miss Hinao.
You leave her out of this, you bastard!
Shut up, you scum! Handgun's brains out!
No!